guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Mike and Ashley Life Adventure. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you our mini poultry farm. Our mini poultry farm, guys, we have 360 heads of chickens. The chickens every day they lay eggs, one egg in a day, and we feed them every day. It's 110 grams in the morning and in the afternoon. We feed them in the morning time 7 a.m. and in the afternoon 3 p.m. And this is their eggs, guys. So we're going to harvest now their eggs. We are just very grateful that every day we can harvest egg and we can deliver it to our valued customer. And hopefully you can like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on our mini farm. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you.